Hi guys, this is the Affiliate Hustler back again with a new quick video. And in this video I want to show you how you can make money with YouTube in 2020 by just making people click links on your description. It's very easy to make. Now, before we jump into the video, if you want more affiliate marketing content, make money online ideas and how to succeed online, please hit the subscribe button, hit that bell icon so that you get notified when I upload a new video. Now, make sure to stay until the end so that you fully understand this method, and I'm going to show you how you can actually get traffic to these links to get money. So let's get into the video. So the website we are going to use is called miniurl.io. Now, what miniurl is the .io is a website which allows you to put links to shorten links. Now, the way miniurl.io works is that they allow you to shorten any link. So let's say I have a website and the link to the website is too long, so I want to shorten it to make the link look prettier. So I would go to this website, I would put the URL here, and I would shorten it. Now, what miniurl does, it creates like a pre-landing page before going to the website that you shortened. So let me give you an example. So I'm going to show you an example right now, but what it basically does on that pre-lander, it shows ads to the people that link the short link, and that is the way you will get money. It's easy money, so people will earn money by watching ads on the pre-lander on miniurl.io. Sorry. So let me give you an example. I'm going to shorten the link to my blog, which you can check out at theaffiliatehustlerblog.com, theaffiliatehustler.blog.com without an E on the middle. So let's go to shorten this my blog site. So first you will have to create an account. Yeah, just agree to the terms and policies, just click register, and your account has been created. Now you just log in, just enter the captcha, sign in, and here is dashboard. So if you want to receive notification of the website, just click allow. I won't be allowing that. So what you will do is you will go to you will go to new shorten link, and here you will put the link to your site, the Affiliate Hustler blog, and you will click on shorten, and this is the shorten URL. Now let's go to the shorten URL so that you see how the money is made. So here they create a pre-lander page where they show you ads. Obviously I don't know if this works with ad blocker, but I think it does. Yes, it does. So I even got paid, even if the people that link to your site have ad blocker, this will still work for you to get money, because they will be still showing some ads like this one. So you will go to get link and then they get redirected. So this is a pre-lander where they will be shown ads. As you can see, that is the way that you will be making money, but just shortening links which will show them ads before they get sent to your website. It's like bit.ly.com, which basically does the same. But the thing with miniurl is that it looks pretty good. You have a dashboard, you have a referral system which you can earn money by referring people into this website, which, by the way, you can check mini URL in the description if you want to help me out. And I'm going to show you now how to actually get the traffic to these shortened links. Obviously, as the title of this video says, I'm going to explain it with you via to get traffic via YouTube. Now, obviously, in this case, I'm not showing my channel because I haven't used this method. Now, this method I have uncovered it recently, so that is why I'm not doing it, because this channel is all about bringing ideas for you to make money. That does not mean I have to implement them. I could implement them, but I'm all about helping you get out, helping you about make money online. And this is a great way and a great idea. You can start making some money online. So in this case, I want to show you how you can get traffic with YouTube. YouTube is a great platform if you are not camera shy, if you want to make how-to videos like I do. You can start. It's very easy. You just need a camera and or maybe a laptop with an integrated camera, and you can start making videos on the get-go. Now, let's get back to the video. How do we get traffic to the link, to the shortened links? That's easy. You will have to create a video. You will have to grab a niche, or you will have to create a channel. Sorry, and in that channel, obviously, you will have to pick a niche. A niche is a selection or a group where people know what your videos will be about. In this case, my niche is marketing, digital marketing, affiliate marketing. So I make videos on how to make money online and how to succeed on affiliate marketing, because it has to do with the topic. So that is what you will have to do when you create your channel. You will have to pick a topic, a niche that you will have to not get bored about, because if you could pick a niche that you don't like and get bored, you'll obviously lose the consistency. I make the mistakes 1 year ago of making a niche, a fitness niche channel that I didn't enjoy, that it was called Superfood Tip, and I didn't enjoy it because I obviously wasn't a master. I don't know about fitness, and I have to outsource all the content, and I didn't like it, and I wasn't enjoying the channel. So I make something that I enjoyed, that I like making videos about, and that is internet marketing. So that is why I started this channel, to help you guys out, and obviously to because I enjoy making videos and talk about digital marketing. So in this case, I'm going to give you a case study on or a video that I found about OD Productions. If you don't know this guy, he is a very cool guy which creates videos about affiliate marketing and making money online too. And I'm going to show you, if we let's see how many views he's getting. He's getting like, this video is got like 10k views, but he's getting like 50 views per hour. That's crazy. So if you think about it, if you create videos like this one, and you grow your channel to like maybe 100 subscribers, and you get, let's say, 1k views, you could get a lot of link clicks to your shortened URL. So I don't know how many I don't know how many they pay per click. It depends of how many ads they watch, but you could easily be paid like $200 for every 1,000 views, and that is a lot of money per 1,000 views that you could be monetizing without doing affiliate marketing, by just showing by just putting a link and drive them to a link, but in the middle they will be shown ads so as you to profit. So this is a very intelligent method you can start doing. Also, if you don't want to use YouTube as a traffic method, that's fine. And I have made videos on how to get traffic with Quora, and also how to get traffic with Pinterest, which can really apply for this method too. You can start getting a lot of traffic to your shortened link, and obviously start earning some money with miniurl.io, because they really pay you. And if you think about it, it's easy. You just have to drive people to a link. You just you don't have to sell them. You don't have to make them put their emails. It's as easy as just putting a link to a useful information site, or just to a source information site or something of value, and they will click through a link because obviously it's free. And the only downside is that they may get pissed off by watching ads. That's the only downside. So guys, that's it for this video. This was a quick video because obviously there's not much to add about this method. So if you really like this video, please comment, like, and let me know any questions that you have regarding to this method. So see you till next video. I'm the Affiliate Hustler.